Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore logo colors using Adobe Color for brand consistency. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Color in your web browser. Log in to your Adobe account if prompted. Click on the Create tab at the top of the page. Select Extract from an image from the options. Upload your logo file by clicking the Upload button. Once the image is uploaded, Adobe Color will automatically generate a color palette. Review the generated colors carefully. Identify the primary colors that represent your brand. If needed, adjust any colors by clicking on them in the palette. You can modify hues, saturation, and brightness to better match your brand colors. Use the eyedropper tool to select any specific colors from the logo if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, save your color palette. Click on the Save to My Library button. Name the palette according to your brand guidelines for easy reference. Now, navigate to Adobe Illustrator or your preferred design software. Open your project file that contains your logo. Select your logo and open the Color Swatches panel. Locate the color palette you just created in Adobe Color. Apply the new colors to your logo as needed. Ensure all elements of your branding use these consistent colors. Save your project with the updated logo colors. You have successfully restored your logo colors for brand consistency using Adobe Color. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.